Hey guys, in this video we're going to do question number 1, 2, and 5. There'll be a second video posted with a couple of different questions. Number 1 and number 3 and 4 I already did with second period, so you may want to fast forward if you need to for a couple minutes. So for this first one, it says that ln x minus ln of 1 over x equals 2, and it asks you to solve for x. Now, as far as algebra goes, I would just take turns plugging each of these in one at a time. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and start by plugging in a. So if I'm trying out answer choice A here, that would be the ln of 1 over e squared minus the ln of 1 over e squared. And I want to know, is that equal to 2? So we're checking to see if the answer choice for A is correct. Now, the first thing that I would do is take this 1 over e squared, and I would turn that into an e to the negative 2. So really, this is ln e to the negative 2 minus. And then if this is 1 over e squared, then I can flip that bottom and multiply. So really, that's the ln of e squared. Okay, then from there we learned, hopefully yesterday, that ln and e can cross out with each other. So really, that's negative 2 minus 2 more equals, 2. And then we want to know, is that true? Well, negative 2 minus 2 more is negative 4. Is that equal to 2? No, it is not. So A is out. I'm going to help you check one more. We're going to check answer choice B. Okay? Or actually, let's check answer choice D. So if I'm checking D, I would do the ln of e squared minus the ln of 1 over e squared equals 2. Okay, then I'm going to take one more step here and say, okay, well then this 1 over here is really an e to the minus 2. And then from there, I know my ln and my e's cross out with each other. That's really 2 minus negative 2. And 2 minus negative 2 is really a plus, so that's 4 equals 2. And then we can see that is not true, so it is also not answer choice D. So hopefully that helps you figure out the correct answer. You should know that the correct answer is C because I already sent the answer key. But just in case you don't, C is the correct answer there. Okay? Now, coming down to number 2. You should see we're taking the derivative. This is obviously a fraction, so that means that we're going to need quotient rule. So my high is going to be ln x. My ho is going to be x. And that means that my d high, the derivative of the top, is 1 over x. And then the derivative of x by itself is a 1. Then from there, remember, your quotient rule is ho d high minus high d ho would be ln x times 1, and then over ho squared would be x squared. Okay, that would be dy dx. Now, obviously, we need to make our answer look like one of the other answer choices, so the big simplification that needs to happen here is that x times 1 over x is really just a 1. So 1 minus ln x over x squared. So that would be answer choice D. Okay? Alright, come down to number 4, please. Or wait, actually I said number 5. So go ahead and turn the page. Okay, so number 5 back here. I want to know what is the derivative of f ln x. So, let's talk about what does f of ln x mean? Well, f of x is x squared plus 2x. So f of ln x would be if I took an ln x and I replaced it in both of my x spots here and here. So f of ln x would be ln x squared plus 2 ln x. Okay? Then from there, when you take the derivative, we're going to need to use chain rule on this part. Okay? So the derivative of this, I'm going to write up here, is going to be my 2 multiplies down to the front. My ln x is now to the 1. And then I have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. What's the derivative of ln x? 1 over x. Okay, plus the derivative of 2 ln x would be 2 times 1 over x. And then when I notice that both of those happen to have a 1 over x in them, I can rewrite it like this. That'd be 2 ln x over x plus 2 over x. And then I notice I have a common denominator. And remember that any time that you have a common denominator, you can put it all together into one fraction. So it'd be 2 ln x plus 2 over x, which is answer choice A. Okay? Alright, that's good. I'll post another video here in a second.